lovelies. We're doing a few parcels. We are. Only a few. I thought, seeing that my hair was so beautiful and my makeup was perfect, I would do a few parcels. So I've done one. It's not Maltesers. Lego Man. Yes, I've done one. That'll go away for Christmas. Miss Producer's going to go and get me another one in a second. But don't forget, before you finish watching the video, to give it a like and a subscribe. Find me on my social media, Twitter and Instagram. Then I've got Cocoscope, Adelesexyuk, TikTok, Adeles TV, and then my 3 OnlyFans sites. Freebie, $10, and the VIP naughty one. So come and check all of them out for me, my lovelies. And I'm hoping now Mr. Producer's going to go and get me a sexy parcel. No, not a sexy one. The big one. Yeah. The big one, baby. I like my hair. My hair's washed up really, really nice. What do you think? See the black already, though. Already. I'm just sorting out my OnlyFans for a second. Parcel, give me your answer. Oh, big one. Amazon parcel. Is that heavy? Oh, right, okay. I didn't quite grasp. Amazon. Oh, I know what these are. So, you know that we've got obviously 3 monkeys. Yes. Well, oldest monkey didn't get any new shoes this year in September because he hadn't outgrown them. So if he doesn't outgrow them, and he always keeps his stuff in good condition, we don't need to buy him no new ones. Except now, he's come to me and went, Mum, my shoes are talking to me. So the bottom of the sole's come undone. So what we did, we went through Amazon and bought some new school shoes for him. They were, how much were they? Don't want to return the item. They were $15.99, which I thought was a really, really good price for a pair of school shoes. What do we think? They're size 4, I think. Oh, cool. I like that on the bottom. Yeah, he likes the posh kind of school shoes. They look small. I ordered 3, so I'm hoping they fit. Otherwise we are returning them. Yes, so I will need to get him to try them on. Alexa, stop. Yeah, they stretch their look, so fingers crossed they fit, but they do look quite small. He was a 2 the last time we measured his feet. So yeah, beauty of Amazon though. We can get some more delivered tomorrow, hopefully, if these ones don't fit, and I'll just get these returned. Yeah, the other ones in there, look. Oh no, I'm worried now that they're not going to fit. In fact, can we stop the video a minute so I can get him to try them on? Please, please. And then we can tell everybody that they fit and I don't need to send them back. Back in a minute. So we've had him in to try them on and they don't fit. It looks like he needs a 5 in them, not a 3. So we're going to do returns on them. So we're going to nip to the post office to return them. Too small. That's good then. So I've put order wrong size. I will be ordering bigger size. So too small. You know, now on Amazon you can return anything up to the 31st of January. They've made it thingy. So estimated refund time when we receive your return. Refund to my Amazon account or refund to my bank account. Pardon? Oh, paid using my bank account. So refund to my bank account. It'll take 5 to 7 days If I refund to my Amazon account, it doesn't tell me how long. So I'll just do to my bank account. It doesn't matter then, does it? It's a happy surprise when I get £16 back in my bank. So continue. UPS store, no, don't want that. Royal Mail. Want Royal Mail, don't we? Take your item to the post office, printer required, print the label at any time from your orders, also email it to you. That's fine. I can go on my computer and print that up. So confirm your return. And then I better get on and order the bigger size. Right, so that is now securely pack the items to return. Send all the items below back to Amazon by the 1st of Feb. So I just need to go. So if I, in fact, I can print it from my phone, can't I? Print. I printed off my phone the other day, didn't I? I sent it to my printer. I sent it to my printer. Sent it to my printer. Right, so. Share. Is it share? To print it. Is my printer come up that way? Print. Yep, there we go. To enable printing, open the HP Smart app. Okay. HP Smart app, where's that? See if I'm clever enough to do it again, shall we? Sorry, this is taking longer than what we thought, isn't it? If I can do it now, it'd save me a job, won't it? Pardon? I don't, can you go and fetch it? Thanks for waiting. Right, skip for now. Right, yep. So, right, I need to save it as a picture. So, add to photos. Yeah. So now, should be able to go back on there. Recents. That one. Print. Print. It says it's printed. I can hear it printed. Yeah, do you want to go and fetch it? I'll hold on to the... Are you going to start the camera here? Did it print? Woohoo! It printed. It printed. Oh, thank you. Sellotape, scissors, and it all printed up, look. To send back from my phone. So I'm just going to order his new ones. So these ones will be here on Thursday. These ones will be. So buy now. $15.99, size 5. I'll get the $15.99 back when these arrive, won't I? So it's not as if I'm paying any extra. So that's them on the way. Right then, let's put these back together. They can go back in the same bag, can't they? Oh, I've really ripped the bag down. Does it matter? I better sellotape all the bag back up together. Do you think? Nothing can ever be simple, can it? I'm going to put the label on this side as well, so then it covers up our label. A little better? Should I sellotape that corner off as well? But it came like that. Why are you pulling faces at me? Hey. Why does Twitter always make that noise? Right. Should I make it invisible? Let's just trim the bottom off it. I can't believe how big it printed. Can you see that? Oh my god, it's that big. It's that big. Do I have to go around it all? Or can I just sellotape that on the sides? Can always remember them saying, as long as you don't cover up the barcode with the sellotape, it should always be sent fine. So there we go. Last bit of sellotape. Says the new ones will be arriving on Thursday. Have I already said that? So there we go. Nip that to the post office tomorrow and we're good to go. How good's that? Amazon managed to print it from my phone. It came, it's got wrapped up and it's being sent back. Yes, it came, it's sorted, we conquered. I love you all and I'll see you all very soon. Parcel next, isn't it? Yes. But I gotta get my chicken out as well, so we gotta hurry up. See you later. Yeah, we'll do that in the next video, get the chicken out. I love you all. Are we gonna do it on OnlyFans free, are we? Oh yeah, I ain't got no nickels on. So yes, we'll nip over to OnlyFans free and get my chicken out the oven. I love you all.